Hey you guys, Kathy again doing another installation video. This time I'm doing it on my mother, and we use 5 packs of Sensationnel Ruby Twists. We originally bought 3 because we thought we could get away with just using 3 since she didn't want big bulky hair, but 3 wasn't enough, so we ended up going back, and that's why at the end of the video you'll notice that I'm wearing a whole different outfit because we had to run out and get 2 additional packs. But even with all 5 packs, there are some empty spacing, but my mother does, like I said before, she doesn't like big bulky hair, so it actually worked out for her, especially since she wore half the hair in a ponytail and the other half going down her back. And we chose 12 inches because like my mom doesn't like long hair, so it was perfect for her, especially for the medical field that she works in. It's really nice length. Now this hair is also a 2-in-1 style, so we can unravel it in a couple weeks and she get a whole another style out of this hair. Each pack was $5.99, and we found it at a local beauty supply store, and they had about 10 pieces of twists in each package. I'm a really slow braider, so I would say it took me about an hour and a half, pushing 2 hours for me to braid her whole complete head. So basically this is how I do the crocheting portion, and it's basically sticking the needle underneath the braid, adding the hair, and then adding the hair to the hook. Here's a better view actually. Adding the hair to the hook, pull it through, put the hair in the loop, and there you go. This hair honestly, this process would honestly have taken, I would say 45 minutes tops if we had all 5 packs from the get-go. So, because once I did the portion of 3 packs, that was done honestly in 20 minutes. And as you can see, I actually spaced out the twist from the next, only just so it didn't give her a bulky feel. What's so funny about doing my mom's hair is that growing up, all she would do is every single day have her hair in a ponytail. That's it. Nothing more, nothing less. So it's fun doing my mom's hair. And now that she's 53, all the time she's like, Kathy, can you do this? Can you do that? When can you do my hair? I actually enjoy it because it's a time for me and my mom to, like, we can talk and we can watch movies. Like right in there, we're watching this Christmas movie. I think it's called Baby for Christmas. So it's something, mind you, we're watching this in the beginning of January, but it is what it is. But it is just a good time to catch up with my mom and do her hair at the same time. And there you have it. Now this is a total of 5 packs, and my mom has had this hair in for about 2 weeks now, and the hair is actually holding up pretty well. There's really minimal frizz.